Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GT. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Alright, everything here looks fine. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. The hood looks perfect as well, not seeing any scratches, no paint chips on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rails. Let's move on to the driver door. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips on the door at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. The trunk and back bumper are in good condition, but I do see that the back bumper does have a little scuff right there. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks fine, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks fine, I'm not seeing anything wrong. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side looks good as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Alright, everything here is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing anything worn out, no scratches. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. The buttons look good. Also, the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.